Friend, if your entire body is normal, meaning you don't have a very big, muscular body, but your arms are wide, then your physique automatically looks muscular. This trend has been going on for a long time. Wherever you see people, they focus heavily on building their arms. I always tell you that no matter what clothes you wear, a t-shirt or anything else, if your arms are wide, they make you look very muscular. So today we'll talk about how you can make your arms wider as fast as possible. Let's not waste any time. First thing you need to understand, if you want to make your arms wider, don't just focus on biceps. Only increasing your biceps will not make your arms wide. To get wider arms, you need to train 3 muscle groups. In triceps, twice biceps, 3 forearms. When you train all 3, your overall arm becomes wider. Training at home. When we work out at home, we usually don't have heavy weights. Without heavy weights, breaking the muscle fibers becomes difficult. So the solution is, do high repetitions. For example, if you are doing bicep curls, do 25-30 reps so the muscle fiber breaks properly and grows. Now let's talk about all muscles one by one. 1. How to widen your wrists. Do knuckle push-ups. Make a fist. Place your knuckles on the floor and perform push-ups. This exercise strengthens and widens the wrist very quickly. Do as many sets as possible. 2. How to widen your forearms. Do forearm push-ups. Place your hands on the floor in a special position and push yourself up. This exercise is slightly difficult, but with practice, you will improve. Try to do 3 sets in 20-25 reps per set. Wider forearms improve your look, especially when you roll up your sleeves. 3. Biceps exercises. Very effective home methods. Exercise 1. Rope cable curls. This exercise is extremely effective and rarely shown online. Take a thick rope, tie it to something heavy, and perform rope curls just like cable curls in the gym. You can also do it single-handed, which trains both the biceps and forearms very effectively. Exercise 2. Overhead rope biceps curl. Take a thick rope, hang it from a higher point, and then pull yourself using curling motion. Gymnasts have very wide biceps because they do rope exercises regularly. 4. Triceps exercises, most important for wide arms. Triceps are the largest muscles of the arm. If they grow, your arm instantly looks bigger and wider. Exercise 1. Tricep Dips. Use a chair or bench and perform dips. Do 15-20 reps minimum. Exercise 2. Diamond push-ups. Bring your hands close to form a diamond shape and perform push-ups. Diamond push-ups are one of the best exercises for both the chest and triceps. Weekly schedule. To get results, follow this pattern. Monday, do all 6 exercises. Tuesday, rest. Wednesday, workout. Thursday, rest. Friday, workout. Saturday, rest. Sunday, workout optional. Doing this for 30 days will show a big difference. Your arm size will increase, veins will become visible, and overall your arms will look much wider. Diet plus rest. To grow muscles fast, increase protein in your diet. Eat slightly more food. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Keep your energy levels high so muscles can grow faster. If you follow this routine, you will definitely see amazing results in 30 days.